Hi guys, Alistair again from Prayas Academy, and today we are going to look at a little bit more complex example, right? So we have been doing simple examples so far, and we're just going to take a very quick sneak peek at a little bit complicated example. And we have here a pick and place, sort of like a gantry robot, and it has an X movement which is going to move in the X direction, and we have a Z movement which is going to move up and down, which is to basically pick and place objects. So I've actually programmed this in my Delta PLC, and I have the code over here, and I have downloaded the code, and I'm just going to run this and show you how it's going to work, right? So we have the object coming in, it's going to be picked and placed. So just to give a little bit knowledge about this, there are actually a lot of inputs and outputs over here. We have 4 inputs and around 5 outputs. I have not included the panel in this, so I have not included the start button, stop button, the reset button. It can be included very easily. The main logic is actually this part, right? So I'm going to start it again. And we'll see actually the logic is actually running live. So you actually need a real PLC to run this. I have a DVB, Delta DVB PLC connected here. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed seeing this example, and